This is how to stop the consumption loop and start acting. So I had the call the other day with one of my potential clients and we spoke for 2 hours. And his biggest problem was that he had all of the most valuable information, that the information that costs from more than tens of thousands of dollars, literally. He knows how to scale businesses, he knows this and that, but he doesn't act. And he is not at the point where he can make 20, 30, 40K per month, but he knows how to get to there, but he's not acting. And he's getting this problem that he's constantly learning new stuff, consuming YouTube, I don't know, courses, mentors, like paying for all of that information, but never acting. And I see bro struggling because he cannot achieve his goals because he's only learning, he's not acting. And I had this problem before. I was always listening on YouTube that you need to be acting. You need to be constantly doing and making some action towards your goals. But that thing is not the actual thing that will help you. The balance is. So I tried to be acting for 3 to 4 years to actually do the things, not to learn to consume YouTube, because I was before that consuming information and trying to get more information and I didn't act. So I started acting, and for 4 years I was acting, trying to like put all of that information into doing the things I want to do. And I've seen that I was stuck for 4 years with earning maybe 400 euros per month. And the thing that helped me was getting back into the learning phase. So I thought I knew everything. I got back into the learning phase and started acting, so I made a balance. So a little bit of acting and a little bit of learning combined together makes you successful. And within 3 to 4 months after I've been implementing that, I've seen success. I've seen much more money. I've literally cracked the $2,000 per month mark because I was literally stuck for 500 to 400 euros, something like dollars per month. And I cracked the $2,000 per month mark. So after actually implementing those two, balancing those two, you should not be focusing all of your energy into consuming content and like not acting. You should be doing both. So go try to find information that actually fits your expertise, niche, or whatever you do. Maybe personal branding, if you do personal branding. Go try to see what will actually work for your content. Only by trying and acting, you will see what works. Not only by consuming information. So, I tell you, you need to do both. But if you have a lot of information but less of acting, do more of acting. If you have a lot of acting and don't see any progress, you do hard work but you don't see that much progress, you need to be investing into more knowledge. So balance those two and you will see success in whatever you do. This was a short video from me. Hope it was useful. Go book a call, first link in the bio, and let's start making more money and balance those two. Bye.